Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123 doing a video walk around from the Prius. There's nothing special about the Priuses, right? Well, you are wrong, guys. Every Prius is different. We love them the same, but they're all different, alright? 2015 Prius with 141,000 miles, regular wear and tear to the car. As I'm guessing these are aftermarket leather seats. I know new car stores put a lot of these aftermarket leather seats in the cars because they came with no leather, most of them, because this is a Prius 2. Let me see. Yep, backup camera. So this is a Prius 2 with a backup camera, okay, with the aftermarket leather trim. Let's go inside and do it from outside later. So we got a blue Prius with a dark gray leather, guys. Regular wear and tear. Look at that right here. Okay, cold air conditioner. These are the door panels. No rust, guys, no rust. In the back, leather is very nice, also very nice. So on the front, also just a little rip over there under the driver's seat. Okay, carpets are good. Tires, Michelin tires, guys, brand new, almost Michelin tires. Let's go under. Okay, under, look at it under. That's the tires, guys. Under is beautiful. Backup camera. You got some plate that is not supposed to be here. Let's put it on the floor. You got the floor mats. Okay, now let's go over it. Blue 15 Prius with 141. Beautiful blue color. I don't know why I like blue colors. You all know why I do like blue colors, guys. Look at that blue color, it's beautiful. Does have some rock chips on the bumpers. Guys, this is a driver car. You will always have a rock chips somewhere if you put a miles on the car. All right, we're selling transportation. This is a nice, beautiful Prius transportation car. All right, now we removed these hubcaps. We don't have them, but if you want them, we could get them for you. All right, I have few available in my garage. I remove them because they just don't look good. They don't look good. All right, look at these door panels, guys. Rust-free Prius in Florida, in Fort Lauderdale. Sold by Always Sold 123. My name is Mark. Right here. Always Sold 123. Let's go. We got some touch-ups too, guys. Look at that. Got a touch-up right here. Touch-up right here. Yeah. Okay, somebody touched it up. They cared enough. They cared enough to touch it up. There's such a caring people around us. They all care about this little. Woo-ha! Take a look. Nice. No buzzing on ABS. Works very good. The liquids are here. Oil is good. Ready to go. Guys, if you work in an Uber, if you work in a taxi, if you're in New York, New Jersey, it doesn't matter. We will ship it to you. We will ship the car to you. All the vehicles are sold as is, guys. Keep in mind, everything is sold as is. We describe as much as we can. We go through them. If any lights on, we fix them. But once you purchase the vehicle, it's yours, guys. God bless. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.